Hello, everyone. This is Wei Tang, and I'm excited to be here to talk a little bit about our company and about the product, what is a good product, and why we are successful. So I know a lot of people have heard about Yealink. They have worked with us. I see a lot of partners here from the United States and from even other countries. And for those of you who already been working with Yealink, I'm trying to share some of our secret, right? So why Yealink? So why we are doing a good job. And for those of you who have not worked with Yealink, and maybe you don't even know how to spell the Yealink, right? I will let you know what the company is, what we do, and why you should work with us. So Yealink vision. Yealink, we are trying to provide a quality product with a reasonable price and good service. So that is what we are here to do. Right? From the beginning of the company, so we want to develop a good product with an affordable price. So I would say that is the best product. So how you define the best product? Well, the best product is not the product that has the highest price. It's not the product that is the lowest price. And now that best product may not be the product that is most advanced. Right? So the best product is the product that has a good quality and good price. Right? So you're talking about the price-performance ratio, right? So we believe that we are providing the best product for you. The market we are focusing on is the IP phone, IP voice, HD voice phone, and IP video phone. So that market by Frost & Sullivan has a 19% annual growth rate until 2008, 2010. So this is a great market to stay with. From 2007, Yealink started shipping IP phones. Right? And in 2009, we have our most popular T2 series, and then we have our initial video phone, and we have our T3, the color screen, gigabit Ethernet phones, T3. And in 2013, we released the very popular DEC phone, the cordless DEC phone, HD IP DEC phone, and also our T4 series phone, which is a brand new design. So this is our product. So many partner and customer ask us, well, why do you have so many products, right? So basically, we have two product lines. One is a T2 series, the other T4 series. So the T2 series is more classic design. It has a very good voice quality and very solid quality, but it's a lower cost. And the T4 series is a modern design. It has a very nice features. I will introduce a little bit later on. But we are going to maintain this two product line so that as a customer, as a partner, you have more choices, right? To either to cover the entry-level phone requirement or to cover the higher-end enterprise requirements. So for example, this is our latest T48. So it's a 7-inch touchscreen phone, and it has a modern design, the very easy to use user experience, and also we have the eco-friendly design of paperless keys. So the modern design, you can see it's blended really well with your iPhone, right? So it has a mirror-style screen, and also we have the metallic texture for both the key and at the lower part of the phone, so that it looks really, mixed up with your other devices really well. And it has an excellent user interface, right? And also the paperless key. Paperless key is one of the very interesting features that you can You don't need to write any of those papers on your click to dial key. Then you can change it. It can be auto provisioned by your service provider. Right? For each phone, it holds up to 40 keys. And another nice feature is, for example, the key, physical key, maybe 10 physical key, but we use the last key as a page key. So you can have a 3-page of 9 keys. So even though you have a 10 physical key, but you can have 27 DSS key. So each DSS key can be a functional key, can be a line key, can be a click to dial, has 18 different functions you can choose from. And the product is also eco-friendly, right? So we have a very low power consumption, and we have also a very good quality for example, surge protection, electrostatics discharge protection. That is actually 2 to 4 times higher than the industry standard. So that's one of the secrets that our product has a good quality and very reliable. So if we talk about quality of product, I would say the product has to be working first, right? And then it needs to be reliable. And also it should have very good features, right? So you can use it without doing any tweaking, right? And of course, you should have a nice design. So I showed you that our T4 product, it has a modern and nice design, and our product quality has been proven. Then I will show you a little bit about some of the applications we have. So for example, the security. Security is one of the most challenging features in IP telephony, right? In IP communication. You are often worried about phone hack, information loss, and some man in the middle, right, that can probably catch what you're talking with your bank. So what we do is we have a multi-layered approach, all the way from the application layer to the network layer. We support secured configuration file, secured provisioning, right, and a secured port access. And also every phone actually has a VPN client. Even for our lowest end entry-level phone, T20, T19, we support a VPN client so that you can remotely, securely connect your remote workers to your office. And the other nice feature is for our cordless phone. Our cordless HD IP DEC phone, we support so-called over-the-air upgrade and configuration. So when you have a new software release, you don't need to go and try to plug in the USB port and upgrade the phone one by one. You can do a batch over-the-air upgrade, and for the configuration too. So that makes it really easy for the administrators and for the service providers, right, to add new features and to change the configuration file without going to the site. So that saves a lot of work and a lot of cost. And also we provide the RPS service for free. So all of our customers, you can use our remote provisioning server to do touchless provisioning. So the remote provisioning server actually is hosted in US and in Europe. So it's a free service. We open an account for you, and if you can add your phone's MAC address to the server, right? And the MAC address, and then relate that MAC address to a provisioning server. For example, you can host your server in your office, right, to do the provisioning work. So when the phone boots up, the phone will automatically go to the RPS server, and RPS server, based on the MAC address, will return a URL, which is your provisioning service URL. And the phone will get the URL and go automatically to your provisioning server and grab all the new software, configuration, etc. So that is a zero-touch provisioning, and we will provide for our customer for free. So that's some of the features, right? So we have a good product, and it's solid, reliable, and we provide a lot of features. So in the past, I would say 7 years, so Yealink has grown from a newcomer to the market, right? So we released our first IP phone in probably around 2007, 2008 timeframe. And now in 2012, we were already a global number 3 in IP phone, in SIP-based IP phone. And the top 2 Linksys, so the top 2 are Polycom and the Cisco Linksys. Right? Last year, we shipped over 1 million units globally. Right? And the research firm Infornetics actually ranked us number 4 in overall IP shipment. So the top 5 are Cisco, Avaya, Polycom, Yealink, and Unify, which is Siemens. Right? In the past 7 years, we have double-digit growth. Right? We have a little bit of hit check in the 2012, but this year, I believe our growth will be close to 50%. Right? So that's a tremendous growth in a market that is not explosive. It's a traditional phone market. So we have our office in US, San Francisco, and also we have an East Coast office that is opening soon. And we have office in Europe, in Frankfurt, and office in Australia. The reason to having those offices is to serve our customers, our local customers better. Right? So the office serves as a marketing, sales, and support center for the local customer. It also is a front end to listen to our customer, to understand what's their requirement and what the product they need next year, right? So that we can add that to our development roadmap, so that when our product is released, it's a very good fit to our customer. We also set up an R&D lab, and also I would say it's a research institute in Hangzhou, which is our headquarters in Xiamen, China. So Hangzhou is a more innovative city, where the headquarters of the biggest internet company of China, Alibaba, that is in Hangzhou. So that research center actually is more focused on advanced research, like a video, like multi-mic, speakerphone and microphone, right? So we think that in the next 5 to 10 years, the HD quality voice and HD quality video will be the key in the market, right? So we are trying to provide a good product. Now we have 430 employees and over 200 engineers. So it's pretty much, we call ourselves an engineering company, right? So there are 2 kinds of innovations, I think. So one innovation is more like you have new ideas and you change the world, like Steve Jobs, right? Like Google, Cisco is kind of innovative. They make new ideas. They try to lead everybody to how you should work, how you should connect. We are not there yet. I won't say we're the most innovative company, right? As some of our competitors said, okay, this is a Chinese company. They make a cheap product. They just copy others' idea. Well, we are not the most innovative company, right? So we came up to the market as a newcomer, and we just want to provide a solid product that is working, that is feature-rich, and that has an affordable price. And we are doing a good job in that. Right? But that is also another kind of innovation, I think, is to how you can keep the quality, keep a good service, but also keep a good price. Right? So that's very important. I think the world needs both innovation. You need to have somebody who develop the advanced new features, new ideas. Right? But then they need to charge you higher because they spend a lot of research and they try different things. But the other innovation is also necessary is to make a high quality product, right? That with an affordable price, a reasonable price that everybody can use it. So that is really important. How can you keep the high quality and bring down the cost? That takes a lot of work too, right? So we are there. So we are now doing that. But we are going to do better work is to have more innovative product and to have more ideas. So we are focused, right? So we're focused on IP phone device and IP video phone device. So we are not competing with any of our partners. We have 70 technology partners, right, including Broadsoft, including the Asterisk, including 3CX, etc. And our partners, they like us because we help them